So I just wanted to make a quick video of feeding your dog. We just got back from our nightly walk with Roscoe. He hasn't had dinner yet. So now he's getting a drink, and I'm not gonna feed him immediately as we're back because he's pretty excited right now. He's pacing up and down. You can see he's like in an excited mood. He was jumping around expecting dinner. So I just wait a couple of minutes for him to relax, kind of accept the fact that we're back here. It's time for relaxation because anytime he gets food, it's a reward. So I don't want to reward his overexcited behavior because if we're at home, what I want him to do is to relax. I don't want him to be jumping around, barking, crying, like seeking attention. I don't want him to be very needy, and I don't want to reward that behavior. So now that he's kind of going away in his room, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking his food out to give it to him.